everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Khushi and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so in today's video we are going to talk about the Dermaco Active Acne Combo, and I'll be sharing my review, my honest feedback with you all, and then we'll be sharing about my morning skincare routine. So let's get started with the video. So the two products that the combo has is the first AHA BHA foaming face wash and 2% salicylic acid face serum. Okay, so firstly I'll be talking about this 3% AHA BHA foaming face wash by Dermaco. So this has mandelic acid, glycolic acid and salicylic acid, and this is made for all skin types, and it says to prevent acne, whiteheads, blackheads and open the clogged pores. I'll be talking about the ingredients. It has AHA and BHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acid. These are both chemicals that exfoliates your skin, gently exfoliates your skin and clean the pores. Talking about mandelic acid, it helps in accelerating your cell turnovers and give you a brighter skin tone. That I'm sorry for that noise. And it also has glycolic acid, and glycolic acid is said to be the holy grail for exfoliation. It is very good and it also removes dead skin cells. And lastly, it has salicylic acid. We all know that salicylic acid is very good for treating your acne, active acne and marks. It acts as a peeling agent and provides you with new skin and sheds off the dead skin cells and making the skin brighter. Alright, that was it about this face wash. My review for this is that it is a very good face wash and I am using it from the last 1 month approximately. It has shown me amazing results. Before that I was consulting a dermatologist for past 3 months for my acne, but after that the pills that I was taking was very heavy for me and I was acidic the most of the time, so I stopped the treatment because I was not finding it that much helpful. Of course, it varies from person to person, but I am not used to taking all these medications. I'm not habitual with the medication. That's why they kind of just that were a lot for me. So I stopped it, and within 10 days of me stopping the treatment, the acne started occurring again, which was a problem because obviously we cannot take medications the whole life. So then I ordered this Dermaco Active Acne Combo just to give it a try because I heard both bad and good reviews about it. But I thought let's just give it a try because these the products that it has, the chemicals that it has in it, are very much similar to what my dermatologist consulted. So that's why I gave it a shot and I liked it very much. This foaming face wash and the serum as well, they have worked very well with for me. I'll attach the before and after pics for you to check, and I use it both at night and once in the morning. After that, I apply the serum. This does cleanse your skin and makes it brighter. Even if you have normal skin, you can use this face wash. It will be great exfoliator, and you will not need to use any scrub after using this on a daily basis. That because it will eventually act as an exfoliator and remove your dead skin cells. So this is a very good product to try, and it retails for 349 rupees. So yeah, and for 100 ml, as you can see, it is for 349 rupees. Yeah, so that was pretty much it, and it is a foaming face wash. First thing that you have to shake it before you apply it or use it. You have to shake it so that all the ingredients and the chemicals get mixed properly, and then the foam comes out. All right. Also, you don't have to use a very big amount of it. So just 1 to 2 pumps would be sufficient for the face. That was it. What else? Yeah, that's it. It says use twice a day before using the Dermaco face serum and moisturizer, and pump the adequate foam, gently massage on your wet skin and then rinse it off. That's it. So I like this Dermaco foaming face wash a lot, and if you want to, you can give it a shot and share your views in the comments. So coming on to this 2% salicylic acid face serum, it has salicylic acid, witch hazel and willow bark. Salicylic acid, as we know, this is a BHA and it targets your acne, blackheads and whiteheads. And witch hazel is also a very good agent. This helps in basically lightening your acne spots and preventing acne. And the willow bark is useful in preventing the excess oil and sebum and makes the skin radiant. So this 2% salicylic acid face serum, it is very good in treating your active acne and acne marks, removing whiteheads or blackheads and unclogging your pores. that was about it. And it controls excess sebum production, so ultimately your acne gets reduced. This retails for 499 rupees, as you can see, for 30 ml. This is a 30 ml product. This is also very good. So the serum is sulfate and paraben free and mineral oil and dye free, which is a very good thing. It has very acidic fragrance to it, of course, because it is an active acid serum. But I don't know if you will like the fragrance of it. I find it very like you have entered any chemistry lab or something. So that is a thing. But apart from that, it is a very good serum if you are facing any of the issues that I stated. Also, I haven't got any acne since then. Also, I had small bumps over here which have also reduced, and I have very little left on my face, and it has made my skin brighter. That is a very good thing. Yeah, that was it. It is a good product as well, but you must do a patch test before applying, because these active chemicals acts according to your skin and they might or might not suit you. So apply first, do a patch test. I'll recommend that, and if that suits you, then only start it in your skincare routine. Alright, so that was my Dermaco Active Acne Combo review and experience. I had a good experience with the products. I know some people has shared their bad reviews as well, but as I say, it depends from skin to skin. And but as far as my skin is concerned, I have seen good changes, and अभी तक ऐसा नहीं है कि थोड़ा टाइम चेंज दिखा फिर नहीं दिखा. These are consistent, and I'm very happy with the product. So I'll recommend these. So if you want to give it a try, you can try these. So that was it. It gets a thumbs up from my side. Alright, so that was my review for the Dermaco Active Acne Combo. And let me just show you my morning skincare routine. I just use these three products as my morning skincare routine. I'll show you one by one what I do. So first of all, I use this face wash. So you have to shake it. But let me just first tie my hair. So yeah, now I have tied my hair. Taking 2 pumps of the face wash. Make sure you have clean hands before applying the face wash. मैंने अपना फेस गीला कर लिया था. Like this you have to apply it. Now you have to gently massage it for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. That's it. Let me just wash it off and come back. So I'm back after washing my face. You have to wipe it. Don't just scratch your face. You need to gently tap it. Alright, this is what my face looks like. इसके तुरंत बाद हमने ये सीरम अप्लाई कर लेना है. इसको भी आपने पहले शेक करना है. आपने विद इन 1 मिनट आफ्टर वॉशिंग योर फेस आप सीरम अप्लाई कर लेना है, क्योंकि उस टाइम पोर्स खुले होते हैं तो अब्जॉर्प्शन अच्छे से हो जाता है. जस्ट 3 to 4 ड्रॉप्स आर सफिशिएंट. एंड डोंट अप्लाई द सीरम डायरेक्टली ऑन योर फेस, क्योंकि फिर हमारे फेस से वो टच होता है और जो फेस के बैक्टीरियाज होते हैं वो इसमें लग सकते हैं और पूरे सीरम को कंटामिनेट कर सकते हैं. ऑलराइट, आई हैव टेकन 3 to 4 ड्रॉप्स. Now what will I do? Like this, you have to. थोड़ा विजिबल नहीं है ये, बट ऐसे लगा लेना आपने. And gently massage the serum on your skin. जहाँ पे प्रॉब्लमेटिक एरियाज में आपने वहाँ पे ज़्यादा अच्छे से मसाज करना होता है. उसके बाद आपने 10-15 सेकेंड्स 1 मिनट तक थोड़ा इंतज़ार करिए कि ये जो सीरम है आपके फेस पे अच्छे से एब्जॉर्ब हो जाए. उसके बाद आपने सनस्क्रीन अप्लाई करनी है. तो सनस्क्रीन अप्लाई करना बहुत ज़रूरी है आफ्टर यूजिंग द एक्टिव केमिकल्स. नहीं तो आपकी स्किन जब आप बाहर जाएंगे तो इरिटेट हो सकती है, सनबर्न्स हो सकते हैं, तो वो डैमेज कॉज करेगी एंड हमें वो नहीं चाहिए. ओके, सो राइट नाउ आई एम यूजिंग दिस एपिसॉफ्ट AC सनस्क्रीन. दिस इज़ UVB broad spectrum protection, and this is both a moisturizer and a sunscreen because I don't like to apply a lot of things on my face. तो ये इसके बाद वैसे हम मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाते हैं एंड देन वी अप्लाई द सनस्क्रीन, बट आई हैव बॉट दिस बिकॉज इट हैज़ बोथ अ मॉइस्चराइज़र एंड सनस्क्रीन, तो एक ही चीज़ में हमारा काम हो जाता है. This is non-comedogenic, that means it will not clog your pores, which is a very good thing, and it is paraben free and very lightweight. और सबसे अच्छी बात है इसकी कि ये वाइट कास्ट नहीं छोड़ेगा. दिस इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड ग्लेनमार्क. या दिस रिटेल्स फॉर आई डोंट नो 565 समथिंग रुपीज़ फॉर 75 ग्राम्स. बट सेल वगैरह अगर कभी लगे तो आप इसको थोड़ा सा सस्ते में मंगवा सकते हैं. सो आई अप्लाई द सनस्क्रीन. This is the last step of my skincare, morning skincare routine. आपने पूरा अच्छे से ये लगा लेना होता है. देखिए बिल्कुल भी वाइट कास्ट नहीं छोड़ती है. इट गेट्स एब्जॉर्ब्ड वेरी इजीली. That's it. So that was all about my morning skincare routine. That is what I do. I just apply a lip balm that I don't have right now, so let's just skip it, and that is it. Yeah, and I'm seeing changes in my skin. If you can see, I have just little spots left. और पहले की मैं आपको फोटो दिखाऊंगी तो आपको पता चलेगा कि कितने पिंपल्स हो गए थे मेरे को. So moving on with the quick tips. Tip number 1: make sure that you read the labels before you buy any product. The ingredients that is it has, you must read them. It might take a little more of your time, but that will prevent any damage or any irritation that you can have in the future. आपके पैसे वेस्ट होने से बचाएगा. आपको रहेगा कि आपको पता चलेगा कि क्या क्या चीज़ें आप अप्लाई करें अपनी स्किन पे, एंड इफ़ दैट सूट्स यू और नॉट, तो ज़रूर पहले आपने लेबल्स पढ़ने हैं कि उसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं उस प्रोडक्ट में, एंड then only decide if you have to buy that or not. If that suits your skin, then only go for it, otherwise skip it. Next thing that is very important for your skincare is that you must pick the right actives for your skin. Like if you have dry skin and you pick the chemicals that is made for oily skin, that will not work for you. Even that will worsen your skin a lot. So that is very important कि आप जो भी product चुने, जो भी skincare routine चुने, वो आपकी skin type के accordingly हो. That is first thing that you have to make sure. Supposingly if you have oily skin, so you must use water based or gel based products, not oil based, because oil based products अगर आप यूज़ करेंगे तो वो और ज़्यादा आपकी स्किन को क्लॉग करेगा एंड पिंपल एंड ब्रेकआउट्स कॉज करेगा. वो हमको नहीं चाहिए. So use the products that is either water based or gel based. And similarly if you have dry skin, so you must use oil based products that have oils like olive oil or argan oil. That is very good for your skin, and it will help an additional layer of moisture that your skin needs, of course, because you have dry skin, and it will save you from the irritation. Alright, so if you have sensitive skin, so you must avoid the products that have silicones, sulfates, parabens, SLS in it, or even very strong fragrance that even can also trigger your skin and affect it. Pick out the products that have vitamin E, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide. These are gentle on the skin, and it will help your skin to be soft and healthy. So that was it. I mean to say, just choose the products according to your skin type, and then don't just go in the rat race and buy anything that other people are buying, because that might not suit your skin. So the last thing that I would like to share, that you must always, as I just shared previously, that you must also always apply a broad spectrum sunscreen after applying any of the active chemicals, because otherwise if you will not apply that, that will irritate your skin. Sun will cause more damage because of the chemicals you have applied. Alright, so that was it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and share with your friends who need it. And if you will like to watch such videos in the future, please let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.